Hi guys, Tamara Linkowski here from HealthyTreatsMarket.com, and I want to show you how to make a Chaldean vegetarian pie. We call it Tahini, okay? And it's basically, this is the filling of it. All I did for the filling is I sauteed one big onion with a teaspoon of curry, a teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons tahini, and 2 tablespoons peanut butter, okay? That's what gives you this. And I added just a teeny bit of water so that it's not so thick. Otherwise it'd be as thick and you could put it together like a patty. Now I'm gonna make my skinny bread. Now I'm craving this, so I'm gonna eat a lot more than normal. I'm making me a double mix. So I'm doing a 1/2 cup egg whites, a 1/2 cup skinny bread mix, and a 1/4 cup plain non-fat Greek yogurt. Okay, Costco's got organic Greek yogurt, which is really nice, but I'm gonna just mix this up. And you can actually eat a vegetarian pie. That's what I'm saying, guys. This diet goes with anything. If you're vegetarian, if you're vegan, these mixes are vegan friendly. So it just takes your eating to a whole nother level. But this is one of my favorite Arabic dishes that my grandma taught me to make. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spray my pan. Okay, and then I'm gonna use my spatula to scoop it out. Now what I'm gonna do, I wet my hands. This is for me so I can touch it. Hard at the market because I have people sample and I can't exactly touch everything. Okay, so I wet my hands and I spread this out. Now remember, it's a double mix. And I love this filling. And honestly, it's so healthy. Like, this is something you can eat as much as you want. You don't have to worry about it. You'll still lose weight. Okay, so I'm putting this in. And I know you ladies, when you make tahini, you don't put as much filling, but to me the filling is the best part. But the bread is what fills you up. See, the filling without the skinny mix is not going to fill you up. So that's the thing. You want to eat. These mixes are what reversed my heart failure. That's why I try to incorporate them in everything. If you make a regular tahini, you're eating gluten and you're eating flour and this bread, even a double mix, is only 6 net carbs. Okay, all this is 6 net carbs plus whatever the onions are. Like, that's nothing. And not only that, it's gonna fill you up. Most people can't even finish one mix, and I'm eating a double mix, and I don't care because I will eat it. I love it. Okay, see, I covered it all up. I'm going to wet my hands one more time. Just dab them, and then I'm going to go like this to make sure the whole thing is covered up. That's a big pie, and I'm going to enjoy every minute of it. So what I'm going to do, just so you guys know, I'm going to close it, and then in about 2 or 3 minutes, I'm going to flip it, okay? So that's all I'm going to do to this. I'm going to close it, I'm going to flip it in a couple minutes, and then a minute later, I'm going to take it off and have a delicious meat pie that's vegetarian, grain-free, gluten-free, keto-friendly. And instead of putting weight on you, it's going to make you lose weight, because actually the fiber in a double mix is 22 grams of fiber. That's the other thing this has in it. 22 grams of fiber, 6 net carbs. So you can't go wrong using HealthyTreatsMarket.com products, guys. My mixes are my heart, and that's what I care about selling. If you're on a budget, you can always get the budget bundle. You don't have to buy all the other stuff. Those are extras that will help you lose weight, but they're not necessary. Whereas the mixes are actually what will reverse heart failure, reverse kidney failure, reverse heart disease, help you with cancer because you're not feeding the cancer because you're not eating sugar and you're not eating flour. And the one other thing about these mixes, not only do they not raise your blood sugar, for example, if you're a diabetic, you eat meat and salad, your blood sugar is not going to go up, okay? But these mixes actually make your blood sugar go down. which is why the more you eat, the more you lose, and the healthier you get with the more you eat. When I got down to a size 2 after my heart failed and the #1 hospital in the world gave up on me, I actually was eating about 6 mixes a day. Now, I don't have that appetite to eat that anymore. I can't do that. If I do 2 and 3 a day, I'm very happy, and that's all I can do. Okay, guys, I'm going to show you real quick. See, it cooked a little bit on this side too, but what you really need to do is flip it, because the bottom of the Dash Express, this is a Dash Express, the bottom always cooks more than the top. And I am going to try to scoop it up. I love having this scooper thing here because it really helps. Okay, ready, set, go. There we go. Whoops, I broke it. Well, now you see what it looks like on the inside. But, guys, do you see how big this is? It's huge, okay? This is probably the equivalent of 3 or 4 meat pies. But I have that big of an appetite. That's how much I eat. So I'm going to eat it all. That's my dinner for tonight. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. We love you. Visit healthytreatsmarket.com and look for more recipes like this. And if you live nearby, please come see us. We're in the Davison Farmers Market. We're there Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, 9 to 5. Thanks for watching.